We're ceramic painting, so you can come in and paint your ceramics, choose whichever one you want from our vast range, which seems to be growing all the time. These are all painted with glaze. You leave them with me for a few days, and then I fire them in my kilns, and then they come back here and they collect them, and they're all beautiful and shiny. Slime making every Sunday. We do it on a Sunday, and it's in slots on a Sunday, so it's 11 till 12, 12:30 to 1:30, and then 2 till 3. Preferably if you can let me know you're coming, because then I can say whether we're going to be full or not. But if we are full in here in the shop, we can move outside into the flexi area, and we quite often utilise that on a Sunday as well. We have parties. We have a party room upstairs, a fabulous party room with lots of lights and disco lights, and we have a blackboard wall that children can write on. It's fully, like I say, fully decorated, and we also have black lights and neon face paints. So they have the UV neon face paints that light them all up, and it looks super when they're all painted up and everything. We're not the best face painters in the world, but we do try our best. We have clay downstairs. We do clay making. We have balloons as well. We do helium balloons for parties, or we can usually get any theme you would like.
My favourite part about being here, it makes me laugh. It's brilliant here. I've made lots of new friends, which is really good, in the shop and outside the shop with the other traders, and it's a nice community. Our name is getting out. It's getting better. We have lots and lots of children coming in, and it's nice to see the children interacting with everything else that's going on here.